everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. Today we are going to create this stunning traditional Indian woman painting inspired by a classical dance and heritage. So first you have to sketch the drawing very lightly. So we are doing the sketch outline of the face and jewelry. Keep your strokes very gentle. We are building the foundation of our masterpiece. Okay, so something interesting. Did you know in Indian classical art, every line has meaning? The tilt of the head, the curve of the eyebrow, it's all about grace and storytelling. So, let me tell you one thing. In Bharatanatyam, the eyes and eyebrows are used to express emotions in the dance, and that's why we are focusing on those bold eyes in this painting. So after finishing the face part, now I am switching to the jewelry. This is called the mangtika. So first all you have to do very lightly, then gradually you have to increase the tone. So see how I am doing the earrings. So once I have done, now I am doing all the lines very deeply. Today I am using Artline Black Beauty pencil, which is very dark, but first I have done it with lightly. So it's up to you. You have to practice and make your hands perfect so that you can use this dark pencil both lightly and deeply. So when I am doing, I am marking all the lines. I'm taking a little measurement so that I can do it symmetrically. As you know, the face is always a symmetrical part. Symmetrical means both the side we are doing the same thing. So this is the flowers on the head, and now our drawing is complete. So now I have taken flesh tint with little bit of orange color and I'm painting the face now. Now let's block in the base skin tone using warm orange and yellow tones. First you have to do all the light tones. This gives a traditional glow. Here's a tip. Always start light and then add darker tones as I am doing. First I have done with flesh tint mixed with little orange and now again with orange. After this you have to use little bit of brown with mixture of orange and do the shading part. So little by little I am going to the dark space. Another interesting thing, the jewelry you see in this painting is inspired by temple jewelry, which was originally used to adorn idols in South Indian temples before dancers started wearing them. Now, while painting the jewelries, we are doing first yellow ochre all over the jewelries and leaving some white part for the white highlight. After finishing all the yellow ochre part, I am using a fine brush so that all the part is done very neatly without any hassle. So you can see how I am doing the mangtika. After this you have to use medium yellow. So first see that your painting is dried little bit and then use medium yellow on the top of ochre. So this is like dark to light tone and then we will use brown color. This is little different according to the face. Face we have done from light to dark. The jewelry is little dark to light. Then again I am using brown color for all the lines of the face and jewelry. This is how you can simply add detail to all the things and still the things elements will look gorgeous, realistic, without shading like a pro. This is a very simple drawing that I am showing to you so that anyone can create this masterpiece. If you recreate this, don't hesitate to share with me in Instagram. So finally I am using black color. One thing that you have to remember, I didn't mention earlier, but I am using acrylic color for this painting. Yes, you can use acrylic color on paper. Just see that you don't use too much water, or if you use the color without any water, then it will become a problem. So you have to put just 1 to 2 drops of water when you are mixing the colors. These flowers are in pink color. Then I am adding some red strokes for the detailing. All the red parts are done now. The bindi, the lips. Now I am adding shading. This is the final part. My favorite part is adding white acrylic color. I love to add white highlights to every elements which I draw. This creates a more beautiful and realistic part to the painting. Our painting is almost complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, share it with your art loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to DIY with Indrani for more creative journey. Comment below which Indian style you want me to try next.